We require 3 year-long courses in the math department, and the bare minimum would be to get through Algebra 2. And most of the students at Pembroke Hill take math for all 4 years. Here at Pembroke Hill in our math department, you have an option of being the typical track, geometry, Algebra 2, pre-calculus, but you can also accelerate. We have accelerated levels of all of those courses. For example, at the calculus level, we have a regular calculus, it's kind of a business calculus. And then we also have 2 levels of AP calculus, AB and BC. We have lots of students that take these courses at earlier ages than others, and so have room to continue their calculus education beyond BC calculus. So we have the semester electives, multivariable and differential equations. If you just are really interested in math, we've got also number theory and probability and counting. And then a little different would be an AP statistics course where you're learning to analyze data and communicate what all those statistical summaries are actually telling you. So we can really help find a niche in our program that's perfect for you at your level and your interest level. We also have a math team that enjoys participating in competitions. So if that's your thing, we've got a great group of kids working on that once a week. To determine your placement in math here at Pembroke Hill, I will have a conversation. I'll reach out to your current teacher to see what your level of math is and where you are in the sequence of courses. Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, Pre-Calculus. And I'll also ask them as to whether you want to be challenged at an accelerated level or not. And that would be a conversation I would also have with you, because it matters not just what you're doing in math, but all the other courses that you choose to take when you enroll here at Pembroke Hill. We believe in the math department that through our courses, you're learning how to logically approach a problem. You're learning how to organize your communication so somebody else can read it. You're learning how to use different skills in different situations, and maybe even at what point you need other resources and when you have to go out and search for other resources to assist you. I think our classroom environment, I think if you were to hop in on a classroom, you're going to see a teacher who is very passionate about their subject, and students that are engaged in the task, whether that be taking notes that day or working problems in groups at the board, leading a class discussion. We have a lot of variety. Some teachers like the traditional use the class time to lecture and have students take notes and then assign homework problems to do outside of class. Some teachers have started asking their students to watch videos of the notes prior to coming to class and then use the class time to work through problems and answer questions together. The Pembroke Hill Math Department, you're going to find passionate teachers who really know their subject in and out and are excited to help their students master that material, whatever journey it takes them during the year, whether it's working on homework problems together as students and helping each other out, or developing a class video. Teachers here at Pembroke Hill, especially with having to do virtual classes at times, have really worked on developing new techniques and strategies for making the material come alive, whether we're in the classroom together, hopefully we all like that best, or if we have to do a Zoom call and have class discussion virtually. I think the math department is really proud of how we continue to evolve and develop our courses and the way we present the material, whether it's geometry as a 9th grader or BC calculus as a senior. I can speak for all of us. We embrace technology. We're always fine-tuning our methods. We love to collaborate with each other. You'll see us over lunch talking about the best way to present the quadratic formula, for example. We love to shoot ideas off of each other and push ourselves to keep growing. Teachers here at Pembroke Hill really work hard to develop strong relationships with their students. They want students to feel very comfortable in their classrooms and willing to take risks and ask questions and do all those things that it takes to learn new concepts and work on a course during the year. You'll find that teachers are aware of students' activities beyond the classroom and really strive to support the students in the other activities that they pursue. I love teaching math here at Pembroke Hill because I'm challenged every day by my very bright students. They love to ask questions and ask, why do we do it that way? Why don't we do it this way? And they really push me to do my very best job of explaining the subject and helping them work through problems so they can master particular concepts. So I love coming to work every day. I love the relationships that I am able to form within the classroom. It's such a privilege to be able to share my passion about a subject and get to come in and work problems. And one thing that I really like about math is that you get an answer when you're finished.